Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put together a short video just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2018 Mazda CX5. Now the service message was just on the dash here with this little spanner light on it. I have just reset it, but I'll just run you through how to do it. Basically you just want the ignition on stage 2, just to the second turn of the key. I'm going to use the centre control panel here and do it all through the centre display. Basically with it you just need to use it to scroll or just push it across to move. If you scroll across you're on applications. If you go once on applications, if you scroll down, vehicle status monitor, and you can just see you've got maintenance. Go through maintenance, you've got your service schedule there. You can just click on that and you can just simply go down and just reset it on there. And obviously I've already done this one, but then if you just go back, you can do the same again on the oil as well. Just simply go into it and then you'll have your reset option there. So really straightforward reset on these. You don't need a diagnostic machine for it like you do on some of the other models. But yeah, I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.